Hello, in this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on Motorola Moto G30. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and click on manage your Google account. Now click on data and privacy, and here you have to scroll down and check this to click delete your Google account. Now click continue, and now you have to enter your passkey. And now you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes and then click delete account. Now your account should be removed, so now let's recover it by opening Google Play Store, for example, or any other app that requires you to sign in into your Google account. And now you have to enter your email address. Then click next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so now let's click next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password. Then click I agree. And now you have to click accept. And as you can see, my account is recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.